So as you can see, this table is not that light, it's quite heavy, and the dimension of this is it is around, I think, 2.5 something. And if you see it is around my length, and if you see the height, it's showing around 2.5. So height is 2.5, and if you see the thickness of the board, it is also very good, and the length of the board is around 2.12, close to 3 feet, and the height of this is around 2 feet. So it's very looks very strong, and the main problem we faced regarding this table is it tends to move this wide if you put weight on it. So if I apply weight on it, so you can see it's not moving anywhere because of the support they have given to here is like that on the edges. So there is 2 supports on this, so it is not going anywhere. And also it's very good for the computer table, because you can mount your monitor mounts or keyboard mounts here as well. And if you buy any traditional computer table like this one, you won't find any mounting space on the sides or in front or on backwards. So because of that I have bought this. As you can see, there is ample amount of space here and here. So this side is also like blank. And if you see from the photo, like I was confused, I thought that there is some support given here, but they were like very brilliant in that. So the support will be deep inside this, not here. And I was just thinking about like it will be really fragile when I put weight on it. So as you can see, I am applying lots of weight on it, and it's able to like withstand with my weight, and it's not going anywhere. Let's just apply some weight here as well. So it's not going anywhere. So I think that's top-notch quality. There is another table which is offered by Flipkart as well. The only difference I found on that is they have some plastic covering thing for the corners, so you can buy it online, I think, or maybe from the local market. That's not a big thing, because they were costing, they quoted that around 1800, so it's like 700 to 800 more pricey just because of this. So it doesn't make any sense. So that's how it looks. And I will show from the from far away. That's how it is looking. And you can see the padding on this, not one of the best, but not bad either. And I will just show you the bottom part of this. So that's how it looks side. The main benefit of is that you can either put CPU here or maybe here, and you will have lots of space moving your leg inside it. So I will make another video of how I put this with my 2 to 3 monitor mounts, and we can see the result. So thanks for watching, and yes, it's a value for money, so please go ahead with this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.